After years of waiting and going through every leak and rumor, Nothing has finally announced the exact launch date of the Nothing Phone 3. With this, the countdown now begins. But before we explore details further, please like and subscribe our channel for more early tech with fun updates. Now, Nothing is gearing up to make a bold statement in the flagship market with the upcoming launch of the Nothing Phone 3. Scheduled to launch globally on July 1st, 2025 at 10:30 p.m. IST, the event will take place in India, and all eyes are now on what this new device will bring to the table. After weeks of leaks and teasers, Nothing has officially confirmed the date, sparking excitement among tech fans. Unlike previous models, early hints suggest the company may ditch the iconic glyph interface, signaling a major shift in design direction. Nothing has now scheduled a launch event video playing a teaser on its official YouTube channel, and it's giving fans a sneak peek at what's coming. The teaser clearly hints at a dot matrix design on the back of the upcoming device, which lines up with earlier confirmation that the signature glyph lights may be removed. However, there's still a possibility that Nothing could surprise everyone by introducing a new version of the dot glyph light interface, one that's more refined and integrated in a smarter, more functional way than what we've seen in past models. What's your take on this? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, according to a tech insider Mystery Lupin on X, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch in two classic color options, black and white. As for pricing, the base model with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage is rumored to be priced at $799, which comes to around 68,000 rupees. Meanwhile, the top-end variant offering 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage might carry a price tag of $899, or approximately 77,000 rupees. These prices indicate that Nothing is positioning the Phone 3 squarely in the premium flagship segment, aiming to compete with the best in the market. Nothing is also stepping into the audio space with its very first over-ear headphones, called Headphone 1. We've already covered all the key details in our previous video, so if you missed that, make sure to check it out. The link is available in the I section and down in the description. Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing, has revealed that the Phone 3 will deliver top-tier materials, significant performance improvements, and refined software features. The brand's social updates also point toward a fresh visual identity, which could completely redefine the user experience. If you're curious about live updates, Flipkart and Nothing's official site are offering signups to keep fans informed as announcements roll in. Speculations about the specs have also added fuel to the anticipation. The Phone 3 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, offering a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a stunning 3000 nits of peak brightness. Under the hood, it's likely to run on latest Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 series chip, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, making it a serious contender in terms of speed and efficiency. It's also rumored to incorporate advanced AI features, elevating how users interact with the phone. Camera upgrades are expected to be just as impressive. A triple lens setup is likely, with standard, ultra-wide, and telephoto sensors for a versatile photography experience. The front camera could pack a 32-megapixel sensor, ideal for high-quality selfies and video calls. Powering all these features might be a robust 5,000 mAh battery with support for 65-watt fast charging, making sure the phone keeps up with demanding use throughout the day. As the countdown begins, one thing is clear: Nothing Phone 3 is aiming high. Whether it lives up to the hype or surpasses expectations, July 1st is going to be a date to watch. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Phone 3? Are you excited about the launch? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.